Oh, also, if you're not down for lewd belching, you know, feel free to unsubscribe. There's like a whole area of question marks up in here. Have a terrible torso. No helm. Thank you fucking.
There, do you see it? The white elk leading us
levitate
just as before.
or slur. It was just a little frustrating. Oh, Jesus.
With your skills,
Weed dispensaries. Where are you, lady? Definitely Blade Runner.
Raven.
Oh, shit.
To battle!
Yay! Are these the white cliffs of Dover? I've never seen them in real life or in a video game.
Damn, that sounds promising.
Reread!
Where are these things?
Stein's a small price to pay.
Oh no! I missed all the good core. So, a huge Assassin's Creed fan, so take what I say with a grain of salt.
Gonna offer us a discount. A big one.
Fort, thank you for your lovely treasures. Stop the presses. There's a dude out there who likes big boobs.
Now we gained a week. That's
We're on autopilot, so let's vape the fuck up. It is a school night for me. So I'm gonna call that our last belch of the night. And... oh, I lied.